So you all are welcomed. I'm going to show you how you can start creating your account here. This free update is paying. Please be serious with it. Firstly, as I said, you can make money as a Nigerian and by using UK as well. But for the purpose of this course, I'll be using UK. If you don't want to use UK, it's still going to work. If you want to use UK, it's still going to work. You understand? And you don't need paper to cash out. You can use a Trust Wallet account to cash out. I will connect to United Kingdom, and I'll be using United Kingdoms in detail while creating this. So after connecting, and there are some settings you need to do before connecting your VPN, like offing your location. Some app needs you to off your location one by one. So app like your mobile app and other app that have access to your location, you will go to your settings and off it. But some app you just need to off the location automatically and no other app will be accessing the location. So now after on your VPN, my VPN is on. Let me show you. You see it? You see my VPN up there? So that's my VPN. Then this is the I'll drop the link of the site. So this is it. CoinPayU. CoinPayU is a very nice site. Like, I'm so happy that they accept Nigerians. So first of all, you have to sign up your account. Understand? You are going to click register, and I'll be using this. Which email now? Let me use this email. What am I doing? I'll off this thing and add my password. I'll now agree. I'll register. I'll create a username. I can say I'll now confirm username is already taken. Alright, so I'll go to my email. A confirmation email has been sent. Please fill in the code. I'll go to my email. I will copy the code. I'll paste it here. So this is the code. I'll copy it. And I'll come here. I'll paste it. So I'm sorry, network is bad. I'm verifying my account, and I would like you to know, for those of you that are using VPN, I advise you to download a new browser for it. Don't use your Chrome for it, please. It will leak your location. Don't use your Chrome. Download a new browser for this site. Then if you are using Nigerian location, you can use any browser of your choice.